you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, this whole video is all about how you can open your bank account in Germany. Yes guys, you heard it correct. We're gonna tell you the whole procedure, how you can go there, how you have to, like, step by step the whole procedure to open the bank account in Germany. So please stay tuned, and before starting the video, let me just give you one suggestion. It's a suggestion, totally depends on you. So we'll suggest you that the whole procedure and everything takes time. If you are having a block account there as a student, then also it will take time to get out money from that block account. So we'll suggest you that please do carry some with you, so that it will be easy for you to survive in the starting days, and further you will be opening your bank account in Germany and you can go further and enjoy the life of Germany. So that was my suggestion for you. I hope you're gonna follow that. And now let's get started with the whole procedure. If you haven't subscribed, then please guys subscribe right now, because every alternate days we are coming up with new German language videos. So I hope you are excited and you are stay tuned. Let's get started. So guys, the very first step is that you need to select, or I can say you have to research on which particular bank you have to open your bank account, because in India, as you see, or in other countries also, we are having lots of banks. So it is very important to select the good bank, so you have to select the best bank, so that in case you need any resolution or need any help, so that they can resolve on time, they can help you out. So from my side, if you want a suggestion, I will be saying Deutsche Bank, then Commerce Bank, and some local saving banks you can go and apply there. So yeah, this was my suggestion. Now let's come to the point number 2 of the procedure. So guys, the second step is that you have to schedule your appointment. If you're not scheduling and you are just visiting the bank branch, then of course you need to wait. If you have a proper appointment, then you have to go on time and you will be getting the whole procedure. So second step is that you need to do your appointment, and if not appointment, then you can visit there. You have to wait there, and then the concerned person will be coming. But here I want to tell you that you need to take some important papers with you. For example, you have to take your passport, which is very important, your address proof, wherever you are living. If you are living on rent, then your rental agreement, which is again very important, and if you are having the residence permit in Germany, then you need to carry that. So these are some of the things which you need to carry. The proper list, if you want, then you can comment down below. I will be making a reel over Instagram for the same, and we will be providing you the detailed information. Now let's come to the third point. So guys, the next step is that once you meet the concerned person, they will be giving you a form. So you need to complete that. You have to fill that form. So in that form, you need to fill your, of course, full name, your address proof, if you are living on rent, or everything that you need to put. Wherever you are working, you need to put that details also. And of course that is very important, that what is the purpose of you to opening this account. So that is very important that you need to tell. So guys, the fourth point is that you have to make your identity proof there, because you are going from other country and so on. So that is very important. For that you need to showcase your passport. Again, very important. If you're going just to chill, just to enjoy, or just to roam around, for student, for job, anything, the passport is a very important thing. So you need to show your passport. And in case you are non-EU resident, then you have to showcase your resident permit in that case. Let's come to the fifth point. So guys, the next point is that some of the bank in Germany will gonna ask you for the proof of income. If you are going for the job, then of course you need to show your proof of income. In case you are going for the student, then of course you need not to show. You just need to tell them the block account details, whatever block account details they will be asking to you, so that they can just get to know that you are having that much money with you, so that you can survive in Germany. So next step is that you have to show your residence registration. If you're a non-EU resident, then you need to showcase that certificate, which you can easily get from the local registration organizations. So in case you are non-EU resident, then you need to show that is very important. So guys, the next step is that you need not to worry about the initial deposit. Yes guys, if you are having a block account in Germany, then you need not to worry about initial deposit, because every month from that deposit you will be getting some decided amount from the government. which I have told you in my earlier video, which was new changes in Germany 2024. If you haven't watched, then I'm putting link here or in description. Do watch that. So in this I just want to tell you that you need not to worry about initial deposit from block account. Decided amount of money will be coming in your account every month. So yeah, let's come to the last but not the least. So guys, you have to wait like some time, few weeks I can say. It depends or it varies some. If you are having, like, if you are not given the proper documents and everything, it may take time. Otherwise you have to wait few weeks, then you'll be getting your bank account detail. Your account will be open and you can easily enjoy in Germany. So guys, this was the whole video, step by step, that what exactly you need. In case you want any help, any question you have or anything, then you can comment down below in the comment section. German Gyan will be so much happy to help you out. In case you are looking forward for any suggestion that for this particular topic we need video, then we are totally open for your suggestions. We're gonna work on that, and every alternate days we are coming up with new amazing videos. So stay tuned, and if you want to learn German, then you know German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.